If you're experiencing login issues with Arvest Bank, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your connection is working properly. Step 2. Verify your login credentials. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Clear browser cache and cookies. Sometimes, stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Update your browser. Ensure that you are using the latest version of your web browser. An outdated browser can lead to compatibility issues with the bank's website. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you've tried all the above steps and still cannot log in, reach out to Arvest Bank's customer support for assistance. They can help you resolve any account-specific issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues efficiently. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.